So today I'm going to be doing my top boxes for, this obviously says December on it, and then this one is November. Sorry, that was a brain fart. I was like, wait, January? Nope, January hasn't happened yet. So November and December. So let's just do November's first. This one's definitely a little bit heavier than this one. Like, this is very light. I don't know if they're going to redeem themselves. I have been talking about maybe canceling them because I don't really like a lot of the stuff that I've been getting in them. And every single time I open one of these boxes, there's a Clarins Paris product in here, and I don't like their brand very much. So I've been struggling a little bit with that. But anywho, enough of that rambling. Let's get on into this box. I don't know why that was with an accent. Okay. So what do I see? Not exactly inconspicuous, huh? All right, so that's what it looks like. Let's just start with the Clarins Paris. So this is the Clarins Paris Cryo Flash Cream. Oh, that's not in English. Okay, it's a cream mask. Instant tightening, firming, and glow booster. So this is, in a little teeny little squeezy tube. This is 2 ounces. Okay. Does it have a thingy on it? They usually have it. No. Doesn't really have a smell either. So this is, where the heck the instructions? In English would be nice. It says, this cream mask inspired by cold-based techniques. It literally says, leave on for 10 minutes and remove any excess. Okay, well, yay, Clarins. Then I'm gonna go with this here. This is from Benefit. I think this is a mascara. Yeah, it's called Fan Feast. Feast. I can't read. Feast. Best. Yo, okay. It's been a day. All right. So this is called Fan Fest, and it is a fanning volumizing mascara from Benefit, and it's called Hyper Black. See what the packaging looks like. Oh, very similar to regular mascara. Inside the package says, laughter is the best cosmetic. So, mascara. And then there's this from Tango. This is Olive Pearls. That is a weird name for something. This is a hand and body cream with olive oil and aloe. And it's got a cap on it with a thingy. So this is apparently deeply moisturizer. And there's an expiry date on it. Probably because of the olive oil? I don't really. Creams don't usually have expiry dates on them, to be fair. But this is made in, it's paraben free. This is from Greece. This is made in Greece. So there you go. I'm not going to test it out because I have a bunch of hand creams already and I would prefer not to open it. But that's not bad. That I know isn't a full-size product, but I mean, actually it could be. And then there's one last thing in here, and this is Rise Above. Are you kidding? So this is from Floss, which isn't the problem that I have. This is called Rise Above, but this is a lengthening mascara. Okay, so Topbox thought it'd be a good idea to give us 2 mascaras. That's ridiculous. Why would we have 2 mascaras? Ugh, whatever. So this is what it looks like here. And I'm assuming it's in black. I'm going to just, it's a little wand. It's a standard mascara wand. So, okay. It's cruelty-free and vegan. And it's in black, obviously. All right, so that does not impress me. Didn't I said that I've been really disappointed lately? This is one of the reasons why. I mean, yes, some of them are full-size products and that is okay. However, the fact that we keep getting repeat stuff and like Clarins Paris is literally my annoying situation. The fact we also got 2 mascaras in one box is not okay. All right, so for December, let's take a look at this one. This one is very light. I don't know what this pamphlet is from Puka. This has got a I don't know what this is. This is a tea coupon. What? Nighttime tea. Is there tea in here? All right. There is no tea in here. Why do we get coupons for stuff that they don't want to give us stuff for? Let's start with, well, what do you know? My Clarins. Don't be fooled by the fact that it's called My Clarins Paris. It's another offshoot brand of Clarins Paris. This is called Clear Out. This is a lotion that is purifying. Oh, no, it's not. Lotion in French is actually what toner is in English. So my bad. Got me all riled up with a bunch of Clarins products that I can't even read the right language. All right, so this is a purifying and mattifying toner. We've gotten one of these before, literally like, I think it wasn't the last couple of boxes ago. I have one of these sitting in my bathroom. And that is 3 ounces. Next up, there is the most tiniest little squeezy tube I have ever seen. This is from Origins, and this is the plant description, it's called. This is the multi-powered youth serum. Yuki. This is, I mean, oh, it smells good. Okay, so this is 1 use. It's like the size of my nose. I don't even think that's an ounce. Like, what is that? Point something ounces? 5 milliliters. It's 0.17 ounces. Fluid ounces. Yeah, there's that. All right, so then I've got 2 more things in here, and they both are decent sized. So this is from Laritzi Cosmetics, and this is the Felt Tip Liquid Liner. Okay, in black, which fine. Okay, I've been getting a lot of black eyeliners in here. So it's a nice little felt tip eyeliner. Let's see. It's a good line. It's not bad. It's not like breaking it into all my hand lines, which is nice. So that I'm okay with. I don't use black eyeliner very much, but who knows? I am starting a new project pan in the new year, so I might, ooh, wait, no, that's broken up into like weird things. All right, and then the last thing in here is this here. This is, I don't think this is a full size. I mean, it could be. This is the Liquid Poreless Putty Primer. This is obviously from e.l.f., which is a very inexpensive brand. In Canada, one of these is probably about $8 or $9. But this is, it's not even a full ounce. It's 28 milliliters. So that's not bad, but I mean, could be a different thing. So that was in December's box. I am actually going to keep this and this. I am going to use this because it's like a one-time thing. And honestly, I have heard a lot of good things about Origins. The fact is I'm going to use this and I'm not going to be able to tell if it does anything for one time, but yeah. And then of course, I'll probably keep this with the rest of my stash of Clarins products. This here, I'm not even going to look at because I don't think that you should be putting coupons in for things that you don't get in boxes. It's kind of dumb. Anyway, that was my bitter rant about these top boxes that just keep getting worse and worse. If you guys like these videos, give me a good old thumbs up because then I'll know that I will continue to keep going with this subscription even though I'm at its last final straw. To be fair, I have been considering going back and getting BoxyCharm, but there's so much going on with that and Ipsy that I don't even think I want to do that. The problem is being in Canada, some of these subscription boxes are a little harder to get. They cost a lot more money. So they're advertised as, you know, like the Ipsy boxes literally used to be only like 50 or 10 something or like $15. It cost me like 20 to get and it was all sample sizes. We know how much I love sample sizes. I mean, I don't have a problem with sample sizes if they're decent, if it makes the box worth it. So it is a little bit harder for me to get some of these things because I don't want to spend, you know, $40 on a BoxyCharm, which is what they were coming out to, if not even a little bit more. And then sometimes I was getting really annoyed with some of those boxes Well, that was everything for November and December's top boxes. I hope you guys are staying safe, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!